Since 1982, Toadsuck Days has attracted individuals from Arkansas and all across the United States. Held in downtown Conway, Toadsuck Days is one of Arkansas's largest festivals with an estimated 160,000 visitors each year. Hello, my name is Renee Stone and I'm the new director for the annual Toadsuck Days pageant. This year, our new royalty will represent Toadsuck Days at the Mardi Gras Toadsuck Parade, race toads in the VIP toad races, and make numerous appearances all throughout the festival. Join us April 23rd for the annual Toadsuck Days pageant in Conway at the beautiful Hendrix College Staples Auditorium at 10 in the morning. Don't miss out on your chance to be a part of the 2016 Toadsuck Days royalty. Forms are available at toadsuck.org. For more information, email toadsuckdayspageant@yahoo.com. Sign up today at Emerge in Conway.